Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily sign up for an account on Instagram Threads, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So let's just open my Threads app here, and as you can see, it already has a login with Instagram option down here. All you have to do is click login with your existing account, or if you want to create a new account, all you have to do is create that on the actual Instagram app and then open back Threads, and then you can log in with the account you created on Instagram. So let's just log in with my already existing account. And here, when you initially sign up for one, you will be asked to create a bio or add links. You can also import those from Instagram. So if you already have your bio on Instagram and you want to use that on your new Threads account, you can do that. So for mine, I'll just put in new app, new me, and then click on the check mark and click on the arrow on the top right. And here it'll ask you for your privacy option. So do you want to be a private profile or a public profile? I'll just choose public, click on continue, and click on join threads. And there you go. You're now joined on Instagram Threads. As you can see, I can scroll down on the Threads app here, and here you can see your profile right here and the bio you edited. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.